Canon Ultimate CF SLX DDI2 review is the ultimate formats you should be buying. Our rating 4.5 GBP 6199.00 euro. Our review better bang for your buck than an ultimate CFR with a more balanced ride to boot. Pros cheaper than an ultimate CFR, smoother than a CFR, same handling at stiffness as a CFR, excellent specification. Cons no way to customize components as at point of purchases. The Canon Ultimate CF SLX DDI2 is the cheapest of three builds. The German brand offers of its second tire all-round road race bike. The Ultimate CF SLX sides between the range topping CFR and more a value-oriented CF SL version with this tire said to offer the best compromise of performance and cost. Whether that's true naturally depends on who you are, your budget, and your ability. That said, the Ultimate CF SLX 8 Di2 is an excellent all-round race bike that I will found to be more founded than the flagship CFR version. The CF SLX carbon frame might be a touch heavier, but with the benefit of back-to-back testing with the CFR, I am confident it's the more compliant of the two bikes to ride and now no slower for its overall. This specification cost 61.99 euro, $54.99 and 64.99 euro. Given the build is practically unimpeachable, it's one of the most well-rounded race bikes available for the monies today. Canon Ultimate CF SLX 8 Di2 formats. The Ultimate's platform was last updated in late summer 2024 with claims of better aerodynamics, more stiffness, and more compliance compared to its predecessors. Despite the Ultimate CFR garbage, most of the headlight when the updates range launched, the CF SLX version is, according to Canon, the format's tire best suited to cycling enthusiasts. Moreover, Canon recognized its importance by giving it the registry number 100, marking the fact that it's the one hundreds formats developed by the company. The CFSL carriers number 101, the CFR 102. Canon says the CFSLX's carbon frame is slightly heavier than the CFR 846 gram, whereas 762 gram in a size medium, but that it's been optimized to produce a more complete ride compared to the top level bike. This said, the German brand claims it has a comparable stiffness to the CFR. This latest Ultimate is said to be a 5 watts more aerodynamically efficient at 45 kph with a rider atop it compared to the previous version thanks to Tweak made a partnership with aerodynamics specialist Swiss sides. These include flatter tube profiles, smarties ups the drops out, plus the use of a D-shaped C post. It also adopts the with an adjustable